Hear Me Out! So, before we started, let me introduce you to what Hear Me Out is. We are a podcast where you can listen to useful but yet still a chill conversation. And today, in this episode, we will be talking about something super and very important, which is, for a student, how to face your exam without any stress.
That's right. We all know that exam season can be nerve-wracking. Some of us lost sleep, some panic too much, and some pretend not to care but secretly freak out inside.
So, in this episode, we will be sharing our experiences, practical tips, and even some funny exam stories to help you stay calm, focus, and of course, do your best.
But before we get a deep dive into the conversation and discussion, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Talita as the host.
My name is Bintang Nuraini.
My name is Nabila from Maulana.
Hi everyone, I'm Kendra and I'm the person who panics for no reason before an exam, even when I'm studying.
Hi, I'm Priska, the last minute crammer. I always tell myself I study early, but let's be real, I never do.
Hello, I'm Bilkis, the study early but still stressed out type.
Hi, I'm Dania, and I can study without snacks. The snacks are my motivation.
I'm Zamhan, the type of person who studies relaxedly and the day before the exam and leave everything to God after the finish.
Hi, I'm Naila. I always overthink every time I take an exam. Afraid of bad grades, afraid of not being smart enough, and being under pressure to be the best.
And that is our introduction, but now, before we get into the solution, let's talk about the thing why people and most of us students are very, very scared or afraid of the exam.
For me, it's the fear of not remembering what I studied. Even when I feel prepared, I sometimes goes blank in my mind.
There's also pressure from parents and teachers. They have expectation and sometimes that pressure makes studying feel like a burden.
True, but I think we also stress ourselves out by comparing our progress with others. Like when someone says, I've already finished studying everything, and you've barely started, that's instant panic.
And don't forget the classic friend who says this exam is going to be so hard that just makes it worse.
Alright, so stress comes from fear of forgetting, external pressures, comparisons, and sometimes just unnecessary panic. Now, how we do to deal with it?
Sounds obvious, but certainly don't cram the night before. Make study schedule a few weeks ahead and stick to it. Studying bit by bit is way better than rushing at the last minute.
Okay, so now I'm sure that a lot of people still procrastinate a lot. So, what is the best solution that you guys think if someone already procrastinate and didn't have much time to study?
If you have only 1 or 2 days left, focus on key concepts and use summary notes, flashcard, and past exams to test yourself.
Don't just read your notes over and over. Try active recall, close your book, and test yourself. Also, use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break.
And if you're a visual learner, try mind map. They help connect ideas better than just reading plain text.
The 3, get enough sleep and eat properly. Pulling an all-nighter might feel productive, but it actually hurts your memory. Sleep at least 6 until 8 hours so your brain can process what you've studied.
And don't just live on coffee or energy drinks. Eat proper meals with protein, good fats, and slow burning carbs to keep your brain working well.
And I meditate before an exam. It's really helped me stay calm. Even just deep breathing for the minutes can lower stress.
Exercise is also great. A short walk or stretching session can help you release stress before you start studying.
Focus on your progress. Just because someone say they studied for 10 hours doesn't mean they actually better prepared.
And please don't try to control things that are not in your control and just try your best.
One of the best ways to reduce stress is by doing past papers. The more familiar you are with the question format and the less scary it feels.
Studying 24/7 is not the answer. Take breaks, watch an episode of your favorite show, or do something fun to refresh your mind.
Right, balance is key. Work hard, but don't forget to enjoy life too.
Alright, so now after the discussion, I want to know if any of you guys here have ever had like funny stories before your exams.
I once studied so hard and that I went to the exam room. I completely forgot to bring a pen and I had to borrow from 3 different people.
I actually fell asleep during an online exam. I woke up just in time to submit my answer, but my heart was racing.
The worst for me was when I misread the question and spent 20 minutes answering the wrong thing. I only realized at the last minute.
Well, these stories prove that no matter how much we prepare, things can still go wrong. The key is to stay calm and adapt.
So, to wrap things up, you need to start preparing early for your exams. Also, use smart study methods. Don't stress over things you can't control. Get enough sleep, eat proper meals, and please do learn before the exams day and not cram until last minute.
And remember, exams are important, but they don't define your worth. Do your best, but don't let stress take over your life.
That's all for today. If you found this helpful, share this with your friends who's stressing over exams.
Stay smart, stay calm, and good luck on your exams! Bye-bye! Welcome to Hear Me Out! Tas gue jatuh. Handset lu kelihatan belum mati.
Mati, hilang.
Dimakan siapa?
Enggak, itu dimakan.
Dimakan siapa?
Kucing gue. Kayak kalau gue ya emang gue benci sama kucing. Makanya kalau gue wah ya habis ini tuh kucing gue cari geplak palanya. Kucing siapa sih? Gua.
Punya
Minum. Lu itu. Yes duluan ya. Lu kan bukan gue.
maaf ya mem, mohon maaf lahir batin.
طبي طب طب طبي طب طب طبني